Cybertruck owners are hiding the truth. The real cost of ownership is absolutely catastrophic. I analyzed actual owner expenses over 12 months and the numbers are shocking. This is the most expensive vehicle mistake you can make in 2025. The sticker price is just the beginning of your financial nightmare. Foundation Series Cybertruck sold for $112,000. Dual motor all-wheel drive is $79,900, but that purchase price is only 21% of your actual first-year cost. The hidden expenses will destroy your budget. Let's break down the real numbers. Insurance averages $3,400 annually, but that's the national average. In Florida, it's $6,200. In California, it's $4,900. In Texas, it's $3,800. Michigan owners are paying $7,100 annually. Insurance alone is costing Cybertruck owners 2 to 3 times what they paid for their previous trucks. One owner in Miami purchased his Cybertruck in February. His insurance quote from State Farm was $912 every 6 months. $1,824 annually seemed reasonable. In August, State Farm non-renewed his policy. He scrambled for coverage. Only 2 companies would quote him. Progressive wanted $6,100 annually. A specialty high-risk insurer quoted $7,400. He's now paying $608 monthly just for insurance. That's $7,296 annually. His insurance cost quadrupled in 6 months. Electricity costs shocked new owners. Tesla claims Cybertruck gets 2.1 miles per kilowatt hour. Real-world average is 1.4 to 1.7. At national average electricity rates of 16 cents per kilowatt hour and 15,000 annual miles, you're spending $1,400 to $1,700 on electricity. That's actually competitive with gas trucks getting 15 miles per gallon. But here's the hidden cost. Home charging requires installing a level 2 charger. The Tesla wall connector costs $550. Professional installation averages $1,200 to $2,800, depending on your electrical panel location and capacity. Many homes need panel upgrades costing $2,000 to $4,000 additional. Total first-year charging infrastructure cost averages $3,000 to $6,000. Public charging destroys the cost advantage. Supercharging costs 32 to 56 cents per kilowatt hour depending on location and time. If you rely on superchargers for 30% of charging, your electricity cost doubles to $3,000 annually. Owners without home charging pay $4,000 to $5,000 annually in charging costs. That's worse than gas. Maintenance costs are higher than Tesla claims. Tesla markets EVs as maintenance-free. That's misleading propaganda. Tire replacement is a financial beating. Cybertruck weighs 6,900 pounds. The aggressive all-terrain tires wear fast. Owners report tire life of 18 to 28,000 miles. A set of 4 Cybertruck tires costs $2,400 to $3,200 installed. At 20,000-mile tire life and 15,000 annual miles, you're replacing tires every 16 months. That's 2,000 annually averaged. Brake fluid service every 2 years costs $350. Cabin air filter annually is $75. Battery coolant service at 4 years costs $450. Wiper blades rated for 3 months cost $120. 4 sets annually is $480. Annual maintenance averages $3,200. The real killer is repairs outside warranty. Cybertruck's stainless steel panels cannot be repaired using traditional methods. Any damage requires complete panel replacement. The front fender assembly is $4,895. Rear quarter panel is $6,230. The bed panel is $8,970. A minor parking lot incident can generate $15,000 to $25,000 in repair costs. One owner in California backed into a pole at 4 miles per hour. Dented the rear bumper and bed panel. Damage looked minor. The estimate was $23,800. Bed panel replacement $8,970. Bumper replacement $5,200. Rear camera and sensor module $3,100. Labor $6,500. Paint protection film reapplication $1,030. His $5,000 deductible plus the repair meant he paid $5,000 out of pocket, and his insurance covered $18,800. Here's the nightmare. After that claim, his insurance premium increased from $4,200 to $7,900 annually. The accident cost him $5,000 immediate plus $3,700 annually in higher premiums. Over 3 years, that one backing incident costs him $16,100 total for a 4-mile-per-hour parking lot tap. Depreciation is the silent wealth destroyer. A Foundation Series Cybertruck purchased for $112,000 in January 2025 is worth $72,000 to $79,000 in November. That's a $33,000 to $36,000 loss in 10 months. $40,000 annually if the trend continues. The dual motor purchased for $79,900 is worth $54,000 to $61,000. Loss of $19,000 to $26,000 in 10 months. That's $23,000 to $31,000 annually. Here's what makes it worse. You're making payments on the original amount while the value collapses. Finance $100,000 over 60 months at 6.5%, and your payment is $1,957 monthly. After 12 months, you've paid $23,484, but only reduced principal by $18,800. You still owe $81,200 on a truck worth $70,000. You're $11,000 underwater after 1 year of payments. Registration and taxes destroy you in the first year. In Texas, registration on a $100,000 vehicle is $836 first year. California charges $850 plus local fees totaling $1,300. Florida is $907. Add property tax where applicable. Texas charges based on county. Average is $2,000 annually for a $100,000 vehicle. You're paying $1,500 to $3,000 in registration and property taxes annually. Charging infrastructure failures create hidden costs. Supercharger network has 23% non-functional rate according to recent studies. You arrive at a station, 3 of 4 chargers are broken. You wait 40 minutes for the working charger or drive to another station burning range. Time is money. 40 minutes waiting is lost productivity. Driving to find working chargers wastes electricity and adds stress. One owner documented a road trip from Denver to Phoenix. Planned charging stops took 30 minutes each. Reality was 90 minutes average due to broken chargers, waiting for available chargers, and slower than advertised charging speeds and heat. The trip took 6 hours longer than planned. He missed a business meeting costing him a $12,000 contract. Blame the charging infrastructure, but the cost is real. Subscription costs add up. Tesla premium connectivity is $10 monthly, $120 annually. Tesla insurance if you use it averages $300 monthly in high-cost states. Supercharging membership if it returns is another monthly cost. Software updates are free now, but subscription features are coming. Acceleration boost is $2,000 one-time fee. Full self-driving is $8,000 or $99 monthly subscription. Owners paying for FSD add $1,188 annually. Accessory costs are brutal. Cybertruck looks incomplete without accessories. Bed cover is $2,995. Power shade is $1,700. Roof rack is $550. Mud flaps are $200. Floor mats are $250. Tailgate workbench is $400. Owners easily spend $6,000 to $10,000 on accessories trying to make the truck functional and protect their investment. Opportunity cost is the hidden killer. $112,000 in an S&P 500 index fund averaging 10% annually becomes $123,200 after 1 year. Instead, you have a Cybertruck worth $75,000. The difference is $48,200. You didn't just spend $112,000. You gave up the $123,000 you could have had, plus you have a depreciating asset. The real cost is the opportunity lost. Let's total the actual first-year cost. Purchase price $112,000. Insurance $7,200. Electricity $1,600. Charging infrastructure $5,000. Maintenance $3,200. Tires $2,000. Registration and taxes $2,500. Depreciation $40,000. Accessories $8,000. Total $181,500 first year. Wait, that's not annual cost. That's total first year including purchase. Let me recalculate true annual cost assuming you financed. Loan payment $23,484. Insurance $7,200. Electricity $1,600. Maintenance $3,200. Registration $2,500. Depreciation $40,000. Annual accessories and repairs $3,000. Total $80,984 first year. That's insane. But let's be more conservative and assume you paid cash, so no loan payment. Insurance $7,200. Electricity $1,600. Maintenance $3,200. Registration $2,500. Depreciation $40,000. Repairs and accessories $3,000. Total $57,500, still catastrophic. The realistic ongoing annual cost after year 1 stabilizes slightly. Insurance $6,000 assuming no claims. Electricity $1,600. Maintenance $3,000. Registration $1,500 assuming value dropped. Depreciation $20,000 as the curve flattens. Repairs and incidentals $4,000. Total $36,100 ongoing annually. So first-year total cost of ownership is approximately $47,000 if you include depreciation, insurance, maintenance, registration, electricity, and typical repairs. Ongoing years average $36,000. Over 5 years, you'll spend approximately $191,000 on a vehicle you purchased for $112,000. That's $79,000 in ownership costs alone, compared to a Ford F-150. Purchase price $50,000, insurance $2,000 annually, gas $3,000 annually at 15 miles per gallon, maintenance $1,500 annually, registration $800 annually, depreciation $8,000 annually first year, total $15,300 first year ongoing cost. Over 5 years, approximately $66,000 in ownership costs. The Cybertruck costs $125,000 more over 5 years than an F-150 providing similar utility. That difference invested at 10% becomes $213,000 after 10 years. The Cybertruck just cost you $213,000 in future wealth. Owners are discovering this reality and panicking. The Cybertruck Owners Club forum shows desperation. Thousands of posts about insurance nightmares, repair costs, and buyer's remorse. People trying to sell but can't find buyers at prices that clear their loans. Some are just parking them and buying different vehicles to actually use. One owner posted his experience. Bought Foundation Series for $112,000 in March. Insurance was $4,000 annually initially. In September, Progressive non-renewed. New insurance $7,600 annually. He had 2 minor incidents. First was a rock chip on the windshield. Windshield replacement $5,300. Second was door ding in parking lot. Door panel replacement $4,800. Combined, he paid $10,100 in repairs in 6 months. His total 8-month ownership cost was loan payments $15,600. Insurance $5,300 including increase. Electricity $900. Charging installation $3,500. Maintenance $600. Repairs $10,100. Registration $2,200. Accessories $7,000. Total $45,200 in 8 months. That's $67,800 annualized. His truck is worth $77,000. He owes $98,000. He's trapped in a financial nightmare. Tesla's marketing hides these costs completely. They show low monthly payments and mention minimal maintenance. They don't discuss insurance realities. They don't warn about repair costs. They don't explain depreciation. Buyers discover reality after purchase when it's too late to escape. The Cybertruck works for extremely wealthy buyers who don't care about costs. If you're worth $50 million, spending $47,000 annually on a toy truck is meaningless. But middle-class and upper-middle-class buyers stretching to afford the purchase price are getting destroyed by ownership costs they didn't anticipate. Here's the math that should stop anyone from buying. If you financed $100,000 at 6.5% for 60 months, your payment is $1,957 monthly, $23,484 annually. Add $47,000 first-year ownership costs. You're spending $70,484 the first year. That's more than the dual motors purchase price. You're paying for the truck twice. The only financially rational Cybertruck purchase is if you're paying cash, keeping it 10 years, and can absorb massive depreciation and high operating costs. Even then, the opportunity cost of capital makes it questionable. The $112,000 invested instead of spent would become $290,000 over 10 years at 10% returns. Cybertruck ownership is a statement purchase, not a financial decision. You're buying the aesthetic and the attention. That's fine if you understand and accept the real cost. But most buyers didn't understand. They thought they were buying a truck. They actually bought a money incinerator that costs $47,000 annually to operate. If you currently own a Cybertruck and these costs are crushing you, sell immediately. Yes, you'll take a $30,000 to $40,000 loss. That loss is small compared to continuing to burn $40,000 annually on ownership costs. Cut your losses, learn the lesson, and move on. If you're considering buying a used Cybertruck at the new lower prices, run the same math. A $70,000 used Cybertruck still costs $36,000 annually to own. That's reasonable only if you're making over $300,000 annually. For normal people, it's still financial insanity. The Cybertruck reveals the truth about modern vehicle ownership. The purchase price is only the beginning. Hidden costs dwarf the sticker price over time. Insurance, repairs, depreciation, and opportunity cost create financial burdens that trap owners for years. The Cybertruck is just the most extreme example. The lesson applies to any expensive vehicle purchase financed at high prices during the market peak. Ownership costs matter more than purchase price. Cybertruck owners learned this lesson the hardest way possible at $47,000 per year.